Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the Bosch kitchen. I've got fourth generation Hannah Riegelmann with me.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, and we are going to show you how to make a 100-calorie chocolate cake. So how do we start? We have some dry ingredients and some wet ingredients, and we're going to mix them separately. So Hannah's got flour. This is coconut sugar. You can also use regular granulated sugar. This is a little lower calorie. Chocolate cocoa, salt, and baking soda. So go ahead and mix those together, Hannah.
All right.
And while you're doing that, I've got peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and vanilla that I'm going to whisk together. Once I've got these whisked together, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cold water. And that's going to give me my liquid base that I need for my cake. Then we're going to stick our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And when you do this, you don't want to over mix it. So you just want to use your spoon and combine it until it's mixed together. And while you're doing that, I'm going to grease my pan that we're going to use, and a 9x9 pan is good. Make sure you get the sides. And then I think it's ready to go. You can dump it in the pan. Yeah. So once you get it all spread out in your pan, which it is thick, so you will need to work with it a little bit. Then we've got some chocolate chips, and we're just going to sprinkle them on top. You can help me, Hannah. And these are just mini chocolate chips. We want to use about 1/4 cup. Once we're finished here, we're going to stick it in the Bosch oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Our cake is done. Smells good, looks good. Okay, so we're going to cut it into 9 equal servings. Each serving will be 100 calories each. Okay, Hannah, let's see how it turned out. Tastes like really more than 100 calories. We'll indulge. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining Hannah and I in the Bosch kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.